Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking you on a nostalgic ride as we explore the rare and charming 1959 F.G.L, a true gem from the golden age of automotive design. Let's dive into what makes this little classic such a standout. In both form and character, first, let's talk about the exterior. The F.G.L captures that post-war optimism with its compact and rounded body. Painted in a vibrant red, it features adorable circular headlights, a small chrome mesh grille, and beautifully curved fenders. The design is unmistakably 1950s. Cheerful, functional, and surprisingly elegant. With its small size and minimalist curves, this car was clearly built for tight European streets, where style had to meet practicality. The number plate 1959 F.G.L at the front and back completes its period-correct look. And with white wall tires and chrome hubcaps, it delivers that full vintage charm in a tiny, unforgettable package. Step inside, and you're transported straight into the past. The interior is as simple as it gets, and that's its magic. A single-piece red and white leather bench seat stretches across the narrow cabin. The dashboard is basic but beautifully laid out, with just a few analog dials and switches. The thin ivory steering wheel adds to the retro feel, and there's a manual gear lever right within easy reach. This isn't a car loaded with tech or luxury, it's a purist's delight, reminding us of a time when driving was all about connection, not distraction. Under the hood, or rather at the rear, the F.G.L houses a small air-cooled engine. Typically a single-cylinder or twin-cylinder unit, producing around 10 to 15 horsepower. It's not fast by any means, but it was never meant to be. With a top speed of about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, it's perfect for a relaxed cruise. Fuel economy was a big win back then, and the F.G.L could deliver excellent mileage, often over 40 miles per gallon. The car's featherlight weight and simple mechanics make it easy to maintain and surprisingly fun to drive at low speeds. As for pricing, these cars were once among the most affordable on the market. Today, they've become collectible. Depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality, a 1959 F.G.L can fetch anywhere between $15,000 and $40,000 in the classic car market. Some pristine examples with full documentation have even crossed higher at auctions. So if you're someone who appreciates automotive history, design simplicity, and sheer charm, the 1959 F.G.L is more than just a car, it's a time capsule on wheels. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like to see more classic car reviews just like this.